Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get no ads on Block Blast. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is purchase an ad-free version. Most mobile games offer an in-app purchase to remove the ads permanently. Check the game section and look for the section that says remove ads or similar. Number 2 is to play offline. Many games show ads only when connected to the internet. Turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data before starting the game. This works for games that don't require online features. Number 3 is to use an ad blocker. On mobile devices for Android, apps like AdGuard or Blockit can block ads across the apps and games. For iOS, you can use AdGuard or similar VPN-based ad blocker. Ensure the ad blocker you choose is reputable and doesn't violate the App Store policies. Number 4 is to go back to your home screen and then tap on your settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside the iPhone storage, scroll all the way down until you find the Block Blast app. And once you find it, tap on the app, and now you'll get two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, the next thing that you can do is use a modded or premium APK. For Android, some users download modded APKs with an ads removed. Be cautious that this may violate the game's terms of service. Downloading from untrusted sources can expose your device to malware. You can also subscribe to premium or VIP. If the game offers a subscription service, it might include an ad-free experience along with other parts. So these are a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.